Hi you all, if you also love eagle makeup look and want to catfish people into thinking that you actually look like this, then watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Hey, think about the moments we spent. I just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure at all. Ah, nothing's gonna be any better. I'll love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best morning. I just wanna make up my mind, spending all my life for you. Anytime you need me for, every time I run to you. Oh, nothing's gonna be any better. I love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best moment. 난 내 생각해봐야 내가 힘들 때 내 곁에서 날 지켜줬잖아. 이제는 날 지켜줄게요. 그대 걱정 말고 눈을 감아. Give you free hugs every day. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best morning. It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole. Just so you know.
Okay, so I hope you liked this tutorial and I know you will slay this too. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more such videos. Bye.